Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, you're going to want to watch this video all the way through. We're going to talk about cold calling your way to $10,000 a month in SMMA. A lot of you guys want to know the formula, the secret. Well, I'm going to give it to you, ladies and gentlemen. You want to hit $10,000 a month, grab a pen and piece of paper. Let's walk you through what you need to do to hit this magical number. Now, the main element, okay, the key to making $10,000 a month is first of all, you got to believe, you got to have it in the mind. You guys know I'm a mindset guy. Whatever the mind can conceive, the mind can achieve. The reason why most of you guys aren't hitting that big number, $10,000 a month, or you haven't got your first client, plain and simple. You ladies and gentlemen, you don't have the goal set. You don't believe you can do it. You're letting your fears and anxieties and habits throw you in the opposite direction. If you really want to make $10,000 a month, you want to make big money, ladies and gentlemen, you got to believe it first. It has to be a goal. You have to look at it daily, okay? You got to do the necessary things that's required to have success in SMMA, okay? And the first thing is it got to be in the mind. And I always say, if it's in the mind first, then it'll manifest in the outward realm, in the material realm. Everything that you see, folks, in the material realm came from the internal realm, okay? Okay, the invisible creates the visible. Write that down. The invisible creates the visible. And the reason why most of you guys aren't materializing $10,000 a month is not in the soils of your mind, and it has to be in the soils of your mind, okay? And that means that you eat, bleed, breathe, and sleep this stuff, okay? You're not in it today and you're out of it tomorrow, but you have to internalize this stuff every day. Day in, day out, day in, day out. You have to have your goals before you every single day in order to make big money in SMMA. And see, that's why 98% of the people online are making money, is because it's not in their mind. Okay, if you want money in your pocket and in your checking account, it has to be in your mental account first. Write that down. You want money in your checking account, you want to have the finer things in life, it's got to be here first. Because remember, the invisible creates the visible, okay? The things that you see, this laptop that I'm on, this desk that's holding my MacBook Pro or what have you, ladies and gentlemen, was created in the mind first, okay? All right, this iPhone was created in Jobs' mind first, okay? It just didn't happen. You just don't get stuff first, okay? It has to be in the soils of the mind. So that's number one. The biggest hurdle you have to get over, ladies and gentlemen, is yourself. I believe 98% of you guys, the reason why you haven't hit $10,000 a month is because you have those mental hurdles. You want to break that mess. You want to get over your fears and anxieties. Click the link in the description for the ICP course. It's all about the mental, okay? It's all about the mental. If it's not in the mind, it won't be in the outward realm, okay? So if you guys want to make money in SMMA, I want you to follow this proven formula, okay? It's a formula that allowed me to go from $0 to making six figures my first year in SMMA, all right? All I did, ladies and gentlemen, was pick up this phone, okay? And I made money, all right? So I'm going to give you the exact formula. You guys are ready to cold call your way to 10K a month in SMMA? Let's get started, all right? So first thing, ladies and gentlemen, is that SMMA is a numbers game, okay? That's it. Success is a numbers game, all right? If you want to hit a goal, ladies and gentlemen, in sales, all you have to do is calculate how many people I need to talk to, how many deals do I need to close, and how much money am I going to make per transaction, okay? That's it. It's a complete science, all right? It's a science, all right? I'm sure you guys heard that formula, The Science of Getting Rich, or read that book, and it truly is a science, all right? The beautiful thing about sales, you know, is that if you get in there and you start doing what's necessary to get clients in SMMA, ratios will form, okay? And that's a good thing. So even if you're new, okay, this is for all my new people, those that don't have any clients, those that want clients, those that want to fire your job, okay? What you lack in skills, you make up in numbers. Write that down. So that means that if you get in here and it takes you 30 people to get one, all you need to do is talk to 60 to get two. Isn't that a wonderful thing, ladies and gentlemen? Sales is a numbers game, okay? So if you have the formula, okay, you know your ratios, you know your numbers, all you have to do is dial them in. And if you dial them in, folks, guess what? You're going to have success, plain and simple. All right. The reason why most of you guys don't have success is that you don't believe. And then number two, you don't give it enough time to work. And then number three, you don't know your numbers. Okay. You don't know how close you are to success, ladies and gentlemen. You just don't know how close you are. All right. If you can talk to X amount of people, and I'm going to give you guys the formula that you need to dial in. But if you talk to X amount of people per day, you're going to make money. The reason why you're not making money is you're not talking to enough clients and you're not qualifying them, and you don't have the scripts, you don't have the rebuttals, you don't have the mentorship, you don't have the things that you need to help you get to the level that you want to get to. You're cheating yourself. Folks, stop cheating yourself as far as success is concerned. You have to roll your sleeves up and you have to go to work just like everyone else have. Okay, so you got to pay your dues. All right, that's very important. You got to pay your dues. All right, so here's the formula. What you want to do, folks, is you want to book 2 appointments per day, Monday through Friday. All right. Now, here's the thing. When I went from $0 to making 6 figures, ladies and gentlemen, I was committed. I got a coach. I got the courses. A lot of you guys don't want to buy the courses. That's important. All right. You have to do that if you want to make the big money. Now, if you just want to make a few dollars, then of course you can free your way to success in SMMA, but it's gonna take you a long time, ladies and gentlemen. All right. If I've already went down the road, okay, and I know what it takes to get down the road, it's a lot easier if I give you the blueprint than if you create your own blueprint. It's gonna take you a lot longer because I've already done it. And so that's why I always recommend you get courses and trainings and stuff like that, because we've already done it. All you got to do is just take the blueprint and follow it and make money. Life is short, folks. You only got so much time on earth. And so a lot of times you just have to purchase a course to get to success much faster. You don't want to be taking 30 years of your life or 10 years of your life to get your first client when someone already know how to get clients quickly. All you got to do is buy it or follow it and get to your destination as quick as possible. And that's what courses and coaches allow you to do. Allows you to compress time frames. Instead of going from, taking a year, you buy a course or you get a coach, you can hit it in 30 to 90 days. That's what courses do. So you use your money, okay, to get you to where you want to get instead of your time, which is your greatest asset. If they say, Maurice, what would you trade? Time or money? I would trade time. I would trade money. I would trade money in a heartbeat. Okay. Because time you can never get back. Money you can always get. Okay. So rule number 1, you got to commit. All right. Commit to booking 2 appointments per day, Monday through Friday. Okay. If you're not committed, ladies and gentlemen, get off this video. Why? You're not going to make money in SMMA. You have to commit. All right. You got to do it every day and don't stop. You're going to suck at first. You are going to suck at first if you're new to cold calling, but that does not mean cold calling doesn't work. Keep going. All right. So you want to book 2 appointments a day, Monday through Friday. The next thing you want to do, folks, is you want to set, it's going to equate to 40 set appointments for the week. All right. So if you book 2 appointments a day, all right, it's going to be 40 appointments for the month. Okay. It's going to be 40 appointments for the month. All right. Now, 40 appointments for the month, you're going to get a 20% short rate. Okay. So out of everyone that you set that appointment with, about 20%, all right, is going to show up. Now, this is the beautiful thing about having someone that knows cold calling and knows new people and knows the numbers. I'm giving you a formula, okay? So this is real. So anyway, about 20% of the people as a new person, as you're going through this, are going to show up. My numbers are a lot higher. Why? Because I'm good at this stuff, okay? And you can get good at it. All right. And as you get better, your numbers will go up. But on average, about 20% of the business owners will show up, meaning you will be able to follow up with them and go through your closing spiel. So if 8 people show up, all right, you're going to probably close about 20%. All right. That's going to be the ratio. So if you close 20% of that 8, that's going to give you 2 new clients, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're getting excited. So 2 new clients, ladies and gentlemen, all right? two new clients times $2,000 each, okay? And this is just the minimum. You should be making a little bit more, but 2 clients paying you $2,000 is $4,000 your first month, all right? Are you getting excited? Because I am. That's 2 clients at $2,000 a month. Now, what if it was 3,000? What if it's 3,000 or 4,000? Then you just increase it. So if you were charging $3,000 a month, that'd be 6. If you was charging 4, that'd be 8. Okay, you can charge clients a lot more, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to charge them 1,000. You could charge them 2. You could charge them 15. But on average, you should be making about $2,000 per client. All right. So if you do this formula for 90 days, that's 3 months. That'll give you 6 clients. 6 clients paying you $2,000 is $12,000 a month. Ladies and gentlemen, you're making over $10,000 a month. You're doing over 6 figures in 90 days. And I always say this, if you commit to this for 90 days, you could be making 100 grand, folks. Yes, 6 figures. This is why I'm excited, and this is why I give you guys the shimmy. This is powerful stuff. You got to grab this phone, get the course, get the scripts, get the rebuttals, and commit. Now imagine this. I don't care if it took you 90 years, okay? All right? I don't care, okay? I'm just speaking hypothetically, but let's just say it took you 3 years or 2 years or a year. It's worth it because most people, 98% of the people, never make 100 G's a year. All right. 100 G's a year just by booking 2 appointments, ladies and gentlemen. That's $12,000 per month in 3 months. Okay. Most people never make $12,000 a month on a 9-to-5 job. And I just gave you guys the blueprint. The blueprint is set. 2 appointments a day, Monday through Friday, and commit. An appointment is when you get a business owner email and they agree to allow you to follow up either the same day, the next day, or the following day. I like to go either same day or next day, okay? Those are the best chances of you or having a qualified prospect, in my experience, if you can get them the same day or next day to follow up. And then you send them over a presentation or a PDF. If you don't have a presentation, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP. I give you an opportunity to purchase a pre-made presentation that does the selling and telling for you. So there's no excuses, even if you don't have a presentation. Once you send the presentation, you call them back, follow up, and I give you 10 questions that you should ask the business owner to close the deal, okay? That's it, folks. And then you outsource it, all right? If you don't know how to do the fulfillment, once again, you guys click the link description and you guys can sign up for the ICP. I show you how to outsource and do all this stuff, okay? But that's the formula, all right? Even if you don't get the ICP course, it does not matter. I just gave you the formula to success. You want to make over $10,000 a month, this is how you do it, all right? You got to work, ladies and gentlemen. It's not going to come free, but this is what it takes to make money in SMMA. Okay, so I hope this training has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you comment below, hit the thumbs up, helps with the algorithm. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I put out a lot of fire content like this just to motivate and help you guys hit your goals and to make money in SMMA. This is how you do it, folks. You got to work, okay? There's no free lunch. There's no free ride, okay? And if you're having problems in your SMMA agency, you need help, you got questions, you guys can sign up for a strategy session or coaching. We can get on the phone and we can see if you're a good candidate for my coaching program, where I show you how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in 30 to 60 days. I give you everything. I walk with you and help you. If you're having fears and anxieties, you just can't seem to get clients and you just need help, make sure you guys apply for coaching. If not, grab the ICP. Phenomenal course to help you guys crush it in SMMA. You get the scripts, the rebuttals. You get an opportunity to buy the presentation. You can sign up for the mastermind group. So many goodies to help you guys literally accomplish your financial destiny in SMMA. All right. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.